everyone is anticipating the full launch of Windows 10, which is expected to be released later this year. Meanwhile, the Windows 10 technical preview is currently running, but it's expected to come to an end by April this year. Mac operating system users aren't left out of Microsoft's goodies, because they now have the ability to install the Windows 10 technical preview on their PCs. There are basically two ways of installing the Windows 10 OS on Mac PC. One of them requires the use of Apple's built-in Boot Camp software to install Windows on a separate partition of your hard drive. After the installation, you can directly boot to Windows and this will make your Mac operate fully like a Windows PC. The second option requires that you run Windows as a virtual machine inside an Mac program. These are the steps required to successfully install Windows 10 on Mac. Back up your Mac's data. Although the Mac PC can successfully install Windows 10, you'll need to back up the previous data on your Mac PC so as not to lose all the valuable files that have been acquired over the years. The Windows 10 technical previews is pretty much experimental for now. Anything can go wrong during its installation. Download the ISO. After backing up, you'll need to visit the official Windows 10 website to download the OS, and then sign up for the program. After signing up, you'll need to choose the version that's suitable for your system. Mac users whose PCs are relatively recent can choose to install the 64-bits version. Otherwise, they can choose the 32-bits version. Since its file size is almost 4 GB, you'll need to exercise patience in order to download it successfully. Take note of the product key, because it might come in handy in future. Install the Windows 10 VirtualBox. What you need to do first is to visit the Oracle VM download page, and then select VirtualBox built for OS X host. Install the downloaded file and then drag it into the application folder. Choose an operating system to install from the launch screen. You'd have to choose the option of installing Windows 8.1 from the menu because the option for Windows 10 won't be displayed on the menu, but you have to ensure that you are selecting the right version, that is 62-bit or 32-bit versions. You will be asked by the VirtualBox how much RAM you'd like to allocate for running the virtual machine. Just stick with the default, which is about 2048 MB. Next, you'll need to create a hard drive for Windows 10. If you don't intend to install heavy programs, you can choose the default 25 GB. You'll need to continue by selecting the VirtualBox image option next to the screen, and then select a dynamically allocated fixed or hard drive. Next, you'll need to select the green start arrow by highlighting the Windows 10 VM in the VirtualBox. An instruction to point the VM towards the Windows 10 ISO file will come up. After following the instruction, you'll see the Windows logo with a black background. Follow the instructions and choose your preferences. Next, you'll need to install Windows 10 and then plug in your credentials. After plugging in your credentials, your Mac will start running on Windows 10. In conclusion, Windows 10 operation and performance on Mac PCs is okay. Just that it can't be exactly compared with the results obtained from Windows-based PCs. When using the Windows 10 OS on Mac PC, you'd experience a little lag and some minor issues. Besides that, everything seems to work well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more reviews. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, goodbye.